Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Tusk Tappet adjustment wrench set. So if you have a motorcycle or ATV with the Tappet style adjusters to adjust your valve clearance, this is what you want. These are going to work on 8, 9, and 10 millimeter nuts. You've got the small square, the big square, and the flat blade with these. And then you've got knurling on top and the rubberized grip. That way, if you have a little bit of oil on your hands, you're going to be able to hold everything securely and get the lock nut or jam nut tightened down. So with that being said, on top of these, they also have some little etch marks. It's going to give you a frame of reference of how far you're moving that adjuster. So that's kind of nice as well. So again, if you have a machine with this style of adjusters, you're going to need these to get the valve adjustment done. So if you want to pick a set up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with RockyMountainATVMC.com. Thanks for watching.